This is the free Google Shopping course by KeyCommerce. In this course, you're going to learn everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns for maximum profits. We're going to help you take your campaigns from this to this. Basically, let's turn Google Shopping into a sales generating machine for your e-commerce store. Here are the results we've achieved with the exact strategies you're going to learn in this free course. For this store here, we set up and optimized their Google Shopping campaign from scratch using the exact strategies you're learning in this course. Over a period of 7 months, we grew their sales from $0 to $62,000 per month, generating a total of $230,000 in sales so far. Here's another store that we scaled from scratch using the exact strategies you'll learn in this course. $0 all the way up to $160K per month, generating over $300K in sales over 4 months at a very profitable ROAS. Here's an account that we took on when it had already been running Google Shopping campaigns for some time. It had all this existing data. We audited this account, applied our strategies, and took it from $115K per month to almost $800K per month in sales. This is an extreme level of growth at the top level, but it shows you the results that we can get when applying these simple strategies that you're going to learn in this course. I honestly wish I had this free course when I'd started with Google Shopping. It would have saved me a lot of time and wasted money. We've made this course easy to follow and understand even if you've never touched Google Shopping before. We'll show you exactly how we optimize shopping campaigns with real screen share videos where you can watch over our shoulder as we work on real accounts. You'll get access to the exact strategies and tactics that we've refined over years of scaling up Google Shopping campaigns for e-commerce stores. In this course, you're going to learn how Google Shopping works, the algorithm, and how to set it up without wasting time on unnecessary tasks or pulling your hair out. You'll learn how to make your website compliant to avoid getting suspended, which is the worst. You'll learn how to set up your product feed and Google Merchant Center account the right way. We'll walk you through setting up conversion tracking so you can track all the sales you're making in your Google Ads account. We'll then show you how to optimize your campaigns to scale them up to make more and more profits every single month. We even give you a checklist and schedule for when to optimize your account and how to optimize your account. And to top it off, if your campaigns still aren't making money, we have a full section on troubleshooting your Google Shopping campaigns. You'll learn exactly what to do if you're not getting clicks, not getting sales, or if your campaigns are just not profitable. This course is jam-packed with bonuses. Below each lesson, we've added templates, checklists, and other downloads you can use to help optimize your campaigns. Under each video, we've also added a comments section. Here, you can ask us any question you like and we'll reply as soon as we can. Now, you may be asking, why is this free? What are you trying to sell me? Well, I'll be totally honest. We're a team of e-com experts that help stores scale from 20K to 500K plus per month. But we only work with stores that are already generating at least 20K per month, if not more. So we made this course to help you get there as quickly as possible. That's why it's jam-packed with absolutely everything you need to set up and scale your Google Shopping campaigns. There's no upsell. There's no secret strategy left out. It's all here. Everything you need. This is hands down the best Google Shopping course on the web. Better than any paid course out there. And if we help you get to 20K, 50K, or 100K per month in sales from your Google Shopping campaigns, maybe you're going to run out of time to properly manage them. That's when you're welcome to get in touch with us and we can help you take it from there. So you can see it's in our best interest to help you as much as we possibly can. It's pure value. And if you do get value out of this, please share it with a friend. You can see that we've put so much time and energy into this free course to make it as good as it possibly can be for you guys. Ready to start learning? Just click the button below to start the next lesson and let's get your campaign set up, optimized, and scaled to generate more profits for your e-com store. Let's go.